Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got a very interesting and unique NFT project for you called the Fishman's Laboratory. This project is going to be an initial 10,000 unique NFT project with some added bonuses and multiple airdrops for the future. This project is looking to do things outside of the metaverse and has an amazing art style. Today we will go through their website, their roadmap, and a little bit of their social media to get you all the information you need on this project, and then let you know what we think about it. With all that being said, I do need to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, so anything I do say in this video is my own personal opinion. Always do your own research before investing in this project or any others, and never invest more than you are willing to lose. Now, a little bit more about this project. This one will come with 2,122 unique companions that can also be minted with the project. Taking a quick look at their roadmap, for phase 1 of their origin, this is when they're just beginning and they're going to release their 10,000 fishes on Opensea. And if you put this into a Morse code decoder, it comes out to say Genesis Fishes. So that's what they're calling their initial release, the Genesis series, like many other projects. Next is their gratitude phase, which they'll be doing randomized airdrops and also doing a community voted charity for aquatic life, which I always love to see when they have an outside aspect to donate to make the world better. They're also going to start what they're calling a Shark Tank, which is going to be a Web3 project decided by the community. Phase 3 is their initiation phase. That's when they're going to start doing augmented reality integrations, unlocking 3D collectibles, and then they look to hold a Fish Fest, which is going to be an online or offline exclusive event for holders. And finally, in their last phase is the execution phase. They look to release their Fishmarket, which is going to be a marketplace to be able to trade assets for the project. They're going to launch their tuna currency for the Fishmarket, and then they look to start minting the 2,122 fishy companions and integrating into their own metaverse. And decoding the last piece of Morse code on their site, this does say the Cube verse, which is going to be the name of their metaverse. Now, coming down to their FAQ section, this is going to be on the Ethereum blockchain as ERC721A tokens. The minting price is going to be 0.121 Ethereum. The minting date is going to be March 7th for the original Genesis collection. And the perks of being an original investor is that you can mint 2 fish at launch and 1 companion with during the execution phase. And then also, if you are just on the whitelist, you can mint 2 fish. And the last thing on their webpage is their individual team member profiles. So you can go here and check out their individual Twitters if you want to get a little bit more information. Overall, I really love the art style of this. Really excited to see what they can create, but art style is right up my alley. I really like what they're doing here. We're going to check out their social media. They currently do not have an open Discord to join, so just keep that in mind. So in following their Twitter, currently they have 80,000 followers and they are extremely active. There is a lot of sneak peeks on here, a lot of collaborations already, and they're doing a really good job at communicating. I think the art style is amazing. There's tons of giveaways, and again, the collaborations alone have been great. Everything that I've seen so far, they've done an amazing job. I really think these guys are dedicated to what they're doing. They're passionate, and they're just involved in NFTs overall. So I think this project is going to be a really good buy and hold scenario. 1, for the art, and 2, for the value. I love the art style of these. I think they're going to provide great value, especially with their charity donations, and really looking forward to what they can do with these and where they can take them beyond just artwork. So currently, since their Discord is closed, to get information on how to be on the whitelist for this project, definitely keep an eye on Twitter. They run a lot of contests for that. Also, here is their Linktree page. You can get to this through Twitter. I would definitely keep this saved because I think once Discord is open and updated, that they'll release the link here as well. And I just wanted to point that out. Now, with that being said, I do want to know what you guys think about this project. Do you guys think that the Fishman Labs NFT is just going to explode? Do you like the art style? Or do you think this one's just going to maybe mint and go nowhere? Either way, we would love to interact with you in the comments below, so let us know what you think. Make sure you like the video if you do, and subscribe for more NFT projects like this and more, and we will see you in the next one.